In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your Google Slides presentation. So I'm going to show you how to record your Google Slides presentation with the free software called OBS Studio. So this software is free to download for any of these operating systems. All you have to do is go to obsproject.com, then go to download and select your operating system. Once you've downloaded, it will look like this. So here is our operating panel, which will help us record our presentation. So we're just going to fix some settings and some configurations to help us start recording. So the first thing that we're going to do is to go to Tools and select Auto Configuration. So depending on what you want to do, for us, we want to record a presentation. We're just going to optimize just for recording and not for streaming. So we're going to select this middle one right here. Click on Next, and it will give you some video settings that you can choose from. So we can use the current settings, which is 1280 by 1024, which I think is fine by me. You can choose whichever settings you like. And the FPS will either be 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. You can also either 60 or 30, but prefer high resolutions. Use current 30 or 60. Now this is totally up to you again. I'm just going to choose on 60 and click on Next. Now it's configuring everything for our recording before we start. And when it's done, we can just apply the settings. Once you've done that, now we're going to go to File and select Settings. Now we're going to go to Output and make it easier for us to download or to format our recording by choosing MP4 instead of MKV. So we're going to select MP4 on our recording format right here and click on Apply. Once you've done that, we can just close these settings right here and go to our home panel. Now right now this is blank and black because we don't have a source yet. As you see here on our second panel, we have sources and it is empty. So click on the plus button below or right click to add one. We're just going to click on the plus button. So we have so many choices in here and we're going to select display capture. Once we click on that, we're going to create a new display capture. We're going to click on OK. This is what it's going to look like. We have capture method would be automatic and our display would be in these settings. And we also have our capture cursor. Now, if I unclick on this, you'll see that I'm moving my cursor right here, but it's not being recorded on the screen. So let's just keep the capture cursor. And we're going to click on OK. And there we have it. So this is what you're going to see on our screen. So if we want to start recording right away, all we have to do is go to Controls right here. So we have Start Recording. If I click on that, it will say Stop Recording. You can just click on it to stop recording. Now to make it easier for us to start and stop recording during our presentation, what we can do is to add hotkeys. Let's go to Settings right here, where we have hotkeys just between video and accessibility. So if we click on hotkeys, we have our start recording and stop recording right here, where we can add whatever key we want to be the keys that we can press to start recording. I'm going to choose Control or Command, and then to stop recording, I'm going to choose Shift. And there we have it. We're just going to click on Apply at the bottom, and this has been saved in our settings. So if we go to our presentation right here, we can just start, go to Slideshow, press Control, and your recording will have started. So right now, this is our recording. If I press on the keys and start with my presentation, everything is going well. And I want to stop recording already. I'm just going to press on my hotkeys for stop recording, which is Shift. And now I have stopped recording. Now, what does our recording look like? We can check this out by going back to our OBS software, going to File at the top and Show Recordings. And the folder where your recording is downloaded will open, and you'll see it right here. So if you click on that, here we have the video of our recording of our Google Slide presentation. And that was with the OBS software, and that's how to record a Google Slides presentation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.